Hey there, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Today I'm going to show you a unique DOS way to serve drinks underwater. Yup, you heard it right. We are going to attempt pouring a nice glass of juice underwater. Honey, water and juice are miscible liquids, which means they mix with each other very well, unlike oil and water. Well, while these liquids mix easily, they will not. Why, you ask? When we pour something, liquids flow, right? Underwater pouring faces a strong resistance to this flow due to the water molecules. The layer of resistance is called the boundary layer. To pour smoothly, we control the liquid speed using the Reynolds number, the detailed explanation of which is at the end of the video. Thicker liquids flow differently than thinner ones. Now, why do liquids sink underwater? Well, that's density. Denser liquids sink down and less denser liquids float above it. And since the juice and honey are denser than water, they sink. Isn't that interesting? If you like the video, then like the video, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.